As far as chemicals are concerned, there are generally two kinds: cleaning chemicals and sanitizing chemicals. The purpose of cleaning chemicals is to remove soil. The purpose of sanitizing chemicals is to kill microbes. When choosing chemicals and cleaning and sanitization methods, I recommend consulting with your chemical provider. But here are a few basics. The purpose of cleaning chemicals is to remove soil. Cleaning chemicals do this in various ways. For example, by softening the soil, penetrating the soil, displacing the soil, and dispersing and suspending the soil. These make it easy for removal of the soil. Every situation calls for a unique cleaning solution. There are a number of factors to consider, including the nature of the soil. For example, is it fat, sugar, protein, or simple dirt? Each of these calls for different cleaning agents. The surface to be cleaned. Surfaces can react to cleaning agents. Is the surface stainless steel, aluminum, plastic, a painted surface? Again, each of these calls for a different cleaning solution. Stainless steel is a popular choice because it is resistant to strong acids and strong alkalis. How the cleaning agent is applied. Is it a liquid or a powder cleaning agent? Is it sprayed on? Is it in a basin? Is it rinsed off or wiped down? Does it require significant elbow grease to work effectively? What are other human factors, including health and safety? The water being used. Hard water can affect certain cleaning agents and leave mineral deposits. Other factors include storage requirements of the chemicals, wastewater disposal requirements of the chemicals, and the cost of the chemicals. Again, I recommend consulting with your chemicals vendor or other professionals in your choice of cleaning chemicals. The purpose of sanitizing chemicals is to kill microbes. When cleaning, we can see dirt and visually confirm that the cleaning is working, but when sanitizing, we cannot see the microbes. For this reason, it is important to have the right chemicals, a validated sanitizing method, and something called environmental monitoring. This ensures that the sanitizers are reducing microbes to safe levels. We discuss microbial control and environmental monitoring more in other videos.